Hello everyone and welcome. I'm the founder of Trading Paradise and we're gonna take some time to review and explain to you how EasyTrade Pro works. EasyTrade Pro is our most popular trading indicator which gives you highly probable long or short setup for any asset, and it could be used for any time frame. In this video we're gonna cover a lot of things, so please be patient, take your time, take a note, grab a piece of paper and take notes because you're gonna need it. Probably you're gonna have to view this video more than once to absorb all the information, but I'm sure that once you will master how to use this indicator, this will help you tremendously to become a better trader. Okay guys, let's kick off. So once you will subscribe to our trading indicator EasyTrade Pro, you will leave on the checkout your TradingView username. The TradingView username it's fundamental for us because otherwise we can add you on the indicator because it's an invite-only trading indicator. Once we will add you, is a manual process, so a bit of patience, usually never takes more than 12-24 hours. You will have to head on indicator, invite only section. And what you will see is EasyTrade Pro 2.0 plus backtest, EasyTrade Pro 2.0 by Trading Paradise without backtest. This one below is the previous version of EasyTrade Pro, which have been updated today, and that's why we're doing this tutorial, because we made huge improvements. This is the old version that you can find on our page. Just go on Trading Paradise. We have a few pages, not just this one on TradingView, where you can also see our open source trading indicator, so you can use for free. And this is the EasyTrade Pro one, which have been updated and became 2.0. So that's why you're gonna see on invite only these two. Why we have two different trading indicators? Because one has also the backtesting system, and having the backtesting system means that the code is much longer, so it means it's more slow in loading, and so it's not suitable for every day, for checking chart all day, every day. So the one with backtest should be used only when you want to research possible automated setup, long and short, and you limit the usage only to this. The other one, which is the 2.0 normal, is suitable for every day because it's more fast to load, and also is more easy to set up alerts, because if you have a backtesting system, the alerts are dependent on the backtest. So it means you set your rules in the backtest and you have the alerts. In the version without the backtest, which is the indicator version, the alerts are set up normally like any indicator. Another reason that was really annoying for many users was this one. I'm gonna show you. Let's add the indicator with the backtest. As you can see, when you open it, it opens also the strategy tester panel. So you have to hide it and chart. But if you want to hide the indicator by clicking here, and you want to show again the indicator, it will open again the panel. So this was annoying for many users, and there is no possibility to change it. But if we add to the chart the indicator version without the backtesting system, you can hide the indicator and show again without having any annoying strategy panel that will come up. Okay, so now that we added the indicator on the chart, we're gonna start from the one without the backtesting system, because the one with the backtest system will be covered in a separate video because it has a lot of information that you should know. Okay, let's start from the basics now. Where we are on the one-day chart, Bitcoin USDT on Bybit exchange. The indicator is really simple. we see now some candles colored by blue, some candles colored by orange. The blue one are called blue bullish reversal candles, and the orange bearish reversal candles. For the bullish means that from here the price could have a bounce, could reverse the trend, or could continue the trend. For the reversals is the same concept but on reverse. So could be a correction, could be a reverse to the downside, or could be the downtrend continuing if you are in a downtrend. What is important to note? It's important to note that each candle has a line that for the bearish starts from the top of the candle, for the bullish to the bottom of the candle. Why these lines? These lines are important because give to the trader the confidence to understand if this is an important level or not, because don't expect 100% of accuracy. This is absolutely a lie. If you heard about it, it's absolutely a lie. No indicator can give such probabilities. But what we want to give is a high probability setup, so a good statistical advantage against the market. So for the bullish, if we see that the price after the blue candles closes above the line with good volume, this could be a good setup, so a good probability to continue and the price going up. On contrary, if we see that the price is closing below the candle, closing below the line, so this could be more probable that the price is going down. Also, these lines are important because it gives you a kind of trading range vibes, okay? And so you understand which level could be important for the asset you're watching. In the settings menu, you can customize everything. So for example, let's say you don't like blue, you prefer this color, you can change it. So you can change everything for both. But what is important, you can change also the style of the line. So let's say you don't like solid, you like dot, and you want more width. Here you are, you have it. Or for example, you want to increase the numbers of the lines. Here you have the bullish or the bearish. Let's put solid again. So this could be important because so you have the levels that are important of the previous reversal candle. So for example, now a previous level is acting as resistance. So you have an idea of which level could be useful in your analysis. So this is everything, as I said, customizable in the settings menu. So let's visit what happened actually here in Bitcoin. As we can see, we had pretty much good signals on the way up, and some good take profits after these buy signals here. And if you wanted to short again, we could have, but you know, the price went up, so we also need to change quickly what is our bias against what we're seeing on the chart. And then again, we had another buy signal, and if you go back, we had a pretty good history. Here a good drop, here accumulation phase with buy signals, especially here the 15th of October. Here a fixed signals, because of course happens. Here a good sell signals when everybody was bullish. Here a good buy. Here again kind of false signals, but we had a good drop here. Again here a good buy signal, 11 of March. Again here a good sell signal. And then again the 4th of January 2023, FATX crash was all in the chart. And that's it. So basically we can go back to the local bottom 19th of June. Here the drop in June 2022 in the middle of the market. Here a fixed signal. Here the end of the bull market, 6th of April. So this is what happened in Bitcoin in the last years. And of course changed a little bit depending on what exchange you're watching. So be careful and check more exchanges to have confirmations. As I said before, now as an example, we are covering Bitcoin and one day, but we can cover each asset that we want. In this case, we are watching still Bitcoin, but we can change the time frame. And as you can see, is exactly the same concept: blue candles and orange candles. Okay, the lines. So for example, here we are trying to leave this small range as we speak. And yeah, again, it's the same concept. Okay. But what we can also do to make those signals to be more exclusive, so to filter a little bit if we want less confusion in the chart. Well, we can go on the settings menu and we have two filters. The one is more focused on volume, so we'll select which reversal candles have more volume, or let's say some data that suggests that this is more strong. And another one that is based on a moving average strategy that I will explain later. So if we click here, we're gonna see in the chart that some reversal disappeared, giving a more clean structure. Okay. For example, here more bearish, and this part more bullish as accumulation. Here a nice sell, and it concentrates more on catching you the trend. Okay, because of course we have less signals compared to the version without filters, as you can see. So it's up to you to decide which one you prefer. Another one, remember, you can't use together this filter or one or another. That one is related on the moving averages. On this script, you can select up to 3 moving averages. You can decide EMA, SMA, other types, the period and everything, the colors. Here we have just 2 on the chart, but we can decide also to see the other one. If you click here, we have the 200 in this case. Yes, 200 moving average SMA, you see it appeared. Okay, so if we unselect all of this, we won't see any moving average. But what I wanted to say is that the moving average filter here is related on the moving average that you select here, the fast and the mid. In this case, we have 12 and 21 EMA, and if we click this filter, the reversal will be filtered based on a custom strategy based on this moving average. Why is that? So it's that because it gives you much less noise and help you to catch the trend. Okay, and this is for the bearish side or for the bullish side. Okay, and for example, in this move, and this works on each time frame, and of course in higher time frames is very suitable if you are an investor and you want to catch the understanding of what is going on. For example, if we switch on 1 day chart and we decide to switch to the moving average filter, you see how from the 28th of September basically was giving you just new entry on the uptrend. Okay, so it's always good to give attention to the situation with or without filters. Okay, now let's go back to 1 second to the 4 hour, because I want to cover other type of signals that you can use in the indicator. If you go on style, you're gonna see those emoji. Okay, the emoji of a bull, emoji of a sack of money, diamond, a bear, a hammer, and a skull. It's very easy. On this script, you can have signals also based on the most popular isolators combined in a custom way, which are RSI, stochastic RSI, MACD, DMI, MFI, okay, OBV. And based on that, okay, we have different layers of signals. So moderate, strong, or extremely oversold isolators, or moderate, strong, and extremely overbought isolators. If we have this filter on, display strong signals only, we will just see in the chart strong, extremely oversold, and strong and extremely overbought isolators. So for example, let's see, they're very exclusive, they come up rarely. So for example, here we have a strong one, a strong oversold. Here an extremely overbought, strong overbought, but as you can see, is not always matching being oversold overbought with a reversal. Okay, and again super overbought, and then again here super oversold. Okay, just to have an idea when some combination of isolators are oversold or overbought. Okay, and having this filter, you're gonna see only the strongest one. But what happens if we deselect? And this is, in my opinion, a feature to deselect only if you are an experienced trader, or you're really you have experience a lot with this type of indicator. Because if we deselect this, we're gonna also see extra layer of signals, which are basically also the bull and the bears. Why is that? Because these type of signals are less strong, but are more suitable for maybe short trades, especially in shorter time frames. So for example, here we have the bull, they take profit here, the bull take profit here, bull, again the bear, bear, bull, bull, bear, bear, bull, bull. That in combination with the reversal can give you more an idea of what's happening. Also, these signals, which are considered less strong, could be important if we use the filters, because if you use filters, we have less reversal, but we maybe can't find the right moment to take profit. So, as an example, if we press again the filter based on reversals, let's say we enter short here because is acting as resistance. Imagine that we have here the line that start from the bearish reversal. So it is making the resistance, the price is going down. Where is a good moment to take profits? We don't have any bullish reversal, so we see a bull. This could be a moment to take our profits if you want to rely only on the indicator. But remember always, guys, to do your technical analysis and use this as a layer of confirmation. Okay. Last but not least, we're gonna cover the momentum signals. So we deactivate the filter on moving averages. Then we click here, display strong signals. So we are here in the default mode. In style, you can see unusual bullish price variation, unusual bearish price variation. What does it mean? It means that here you can change, but there will be some arrows up, arrows down, green and red on some candles, telling you, be careful, there is unusual bullish price variation based on a look-back period, or the unusual bearish price variation based on a look-back period. Okay, you can see those signals by unselecting this box that is hiding those momentum signals. So, as you can see now, those signals are visible on the chart. Why are important? Are important because you see in this area there is unusual buying activity, unusual price variation on the bullish side, and here an unusual price variation on the bearish side. This could be also another extra layer of confirmation to check and then take the decision that you consider is more probable before to entering a trade. Another thing important that you can activate on the chart as a plot is show when the moving averages that you selected here are crossing. For example, when the fast moving average is crossing up, or the fast moving average is crossing down the mid. So if we select those ticks, we're gonna have small arrows on the chart. That means that the 12 moving average is going below the 21, and if we see here a triangle blue, means that the 12 is crossing up the 21 EMA. Again, those plots, those signals, you can hide them by selecting these ticks, okay? And of course, these are dependent on what moving averages you're selecting, but those signals are only based on the fast and the mid moving averages. It's not counting any cross with the slow moving average. So this is more or less what are the main features of the indicator. Of course, for trading tips, we're gonna constantly from now on make videos about it. At the moment, you can also follow us on our social media, on TikTok, on Twitter, x.com, where we are posting many contents. On our website, you can check at the bottom of the page which our social. Here on the bottom, YouTube also, TradingView. So I suggest you to go here and follow us on every social media, and to keep up on what we're doing, because as I said, we also deliver many free indicators that you can find here on our website. This, for example, is very used to detect RSI divergences on the price chart. And this is the list of all free and open source trading indicator. This is also another one we released a few days ago about catching the right momentum that are really working really fine with our Easy Trade Pro. So we arrived at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. This is a guide about the indicator without the backtest. We will do a separate video just focused on the backtesting system. So you can also try to find some completely automated setup. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time, and let's catch up on social media and write to us at hello@tradingparty.io if you have any question. Don't hesitate to contact us.